Okay, so this is an MT5 platform, and this is a demo account. Let me quickly introduce a few things, and then okay. So these green bars here suggested when the candles go up or close at the top, and the red one suggests when the candle closes at the bottom. Now it came down. It's red, it shows it came down there. And the day here, I've changed the candle. When you see D1 means that the candle is in a daily candle. That's the time frame. You just have to tap your screen and you will see other options for the look at that. You see D1, you see W1 is weekly. You see all this month, week, day, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. M1 is 1 minute. So you can pick up some drawing line, but it's not necessary in this tutorial though. All these ones are not that. You can set up your charts, which is not that necessary. Anyway, the only one that might be necessary is just a line, just a line to pick up a line from there, just to help you know where to open a trade or where to place a buy limit or sell limit, because for all your trades with me and the lessons I'll be giving you, they all depend on buy limit and sell limit. Those are the pending orders we use. Yeah, if you want to learn about other things like market order, you buy immediately, sell immediately, and all that, you can use other videos or even search in Google for that. I'll be teaching you only the one that will be useful for you with me as long as you're with me. Okay, so down here, you see, maybe I can't do that. You see trade history and other tabs below. So, yeah, you see messages too. So, in this case, we'll be going to trade. When you go to trade, you will see your balance, equity, and free margin, not currently function, except they're all reflecting the balance. Here you see history. If this account has traded today, you will see the result here, but none has traded. It has not traded. And at the top here, this is where you set the history, maybe previous trade histories. They are all here. You can use this to sort the direction in which the trade histories will go. Maybe ascending order, descending order, the ones that start, because you have currency pairs like Euro USD, JBP, JPY, or GBP USD. If you want to sort them in alphabetical order or symbol order and all that. Okay, so here you would if you have a chart, if you want to change from Euro USD to GBP USD, that's where you go. This is just a brief introduction to that, to what we do here. Now we go back to trade or chart. When you are on trade or chart, when you are on trade or chart, you should see this add button here. That's where you open a trade. Very important for you. This one is also very important. That's where you change. You can see the currency pair here is US dollar, Norwegian krone. US dollar versus Norwegian krone. That's the chart you are looking at. So if I want to change it to maybe Euro USD, I touch here. Okay, it's not good. It's not here yet. You have BTC USD. That one is crypto. That's how Derive combines everything in their demo, whether crypto or forex, or they're all here. Okay, so thank God they are not here yet. I would have forgotten that. In fact, that's why I'm using this account. I purposely chose the account for stuff like that. It's not completely set up. So you come here to add. That's where you bring out all the currency pairs that are not here. This is the currency pair. These are required. We see them as currency pairs or assets. So you go to this add to bring out the ones that are not yet here. Go to add, go to Forex. You can see down here you see Forex and Forex major and all that. So you open all of them, just touch all these ones and they will be appearing there. Touch all of them, go to minor and do the same, go to all of them and do the same. So that's, yeah, Forex this, Forex that. As long as it's Forex, just go. Exotic, minor, major, yeah, we trade all of them cautiously though. So finish adding them. Look at that. Under quotes, you can see down here at the bottom left, you can see, so down here you see quotes. So that's where you find this chart. It will show you this trade. You see this history message. There's nothing in the message at the moment. So we go up again and see. Look at that. When you go to that currency symbol, all of them are now displayed, even in ascending order. Well, in the order in which we bring them out, we brought them out. So we'll be using a popular currency pair like Euro USD. This is the chart for Euro USD. You can see how it's pointing upwards. It's no longer down. It's looking upwards. You can see the name here. Good. And let's trade. Let's trade as an example. You go to that add button here, top right. So here, because you have opened Euro, you are currently on Euro USD. That's why you see Euro USD at the top here. You can still see that currency chart symbol here. So you can touch it if it is if you are not in the right or in the correct currency pair. You can touch it. So you open it like this. You see AUD USD. You can move to any other one apart from that. You can choose any other one from here. You can scroll up and down until you find the one you want. So in this case, we are using Euro USD. So the current price, you can see how they're moving. You can see that the bid and the ask price, they move together. That's why these two lines here, they move together. The bid price and the ask price, the blue and the red. The red one is the ask price. The asking price is the price that a seller is willing to sell his product, his or her products. The bid price is the price in which you, the buyer, is willing to buy. So the asking price is usually higher than the bid price. So the asking price, you want to buy my car or whatever, I'll tell you 50 million. Doesn't mean you must buy 50 million. You might say 40 million. Then the gap between the two is what we call the spread. The gap between these two agreements is called the spread. Okay. Then the next thing here is to set your lot size. If I send you, I've already stated that for small accounts you'll be using nano lots 0.001 1. That's the smallest lot size you'll be using. For this 0.01, 100 pips will give you $1. So we are targeting 50 to 100 pips for every trade we'll be making here. Using my strategy is just between 50 and 100 pips. If you want to be very safe, you make it 50, then it will always turn up something. Like some of the trades we enter and it moves to overnight are trades that goes beyond that 50. If it's 70 or 100, then it might go in your favor for like 50 pips and then turn around against you for like 100 or even 500. That's because you did not exit, you didn't go away at 50, you decided to keep staying. Then it turned against you and stay for a very long time. You understand? So it's excess expectation that keeps us in the market most times. Okay, so 0.001 will give you 100. That's what we use. If you multiply it by 10, it is 0.1, which means it will be giving you $10 instead of 1 for 100 pips. But we are not using that. So 0.01, 50 pips is supposed to give you 50 cents. And that is for maybe $10, $20 account. Even $30 account, you'll still be using this 0.001. I'm advising anything less than 50 should be 0.01. Anything less than $50 is 0.01. Good. So you're not supposed to earn more than $1 per trade. Yes. Then you can touch it, type, clean it, and erase and type whatever lot size you want to type. Understand? 20 whatever, but remember 0.01 is what we're using. Okay, so the next thing is to choose what type of market execution. That's where we set here. That's here. That's where we choose whether it should be buy limit or sell limit. Like I told you, all my videos, all my trades are just between these two, not market execution. The type of order is either buy limit or sell limit. That's what we're using throughout. So in this case, let's try a buy limit. Buy limit, then it asks you good on, then it asks you price. Here you see price. That's where you type whatever price I sent to you. Whatever price I sent to you. If I say 1 point, let's say this is 300, buy limit should always be lower than the current price. 1.3100. So we take it down to 2000. And the take profit. Oh no, my phone just misbehaved. So buy limit, take it to 2500. Take profit maybe 3000. And then what I have to just do is touch this place, and that's it. I've opened my first touch it place. Look at that, it says done. And here it is, Euro USD buy limit. If you go to the chart, you will see it. Look at that. So I want buy limit. What I mean here is that I'm expecting this price to come down from here to here, and anytime it get back here, I expect it to return until it comes back and give me profit at that top. You can see that's why you're seeing TP here. That's take profit. TP, take profit. So I expect it to come down first before going back again to this place it is. So that is my expectation. It's just a prediction, and with the right predictions, it works most of the times. It works most of the times. So that's how to open a buy limit. If you want to open a sell limit, what you just do is go back there, choose sell limit, enter whatever price. Sell limit price will always be higher than the current price. The first thing you do is touch the plus sign to bring out the current price. Then it will help you to set whatever price you want to set. 311 whatever. Then you have 3 2. You know, it will always be higher if it is sell limit. The price will always be high. Don't touch stop loss. We are not using anything stop loss. Don't touch any other thing. Then, but here maybe 3,200. In that case, it will now be 13 pips. I want it to start from 213 to 200 and let's say 250. In this case, that's 50 pips difference. Begin at 250, come down to 200. That's 50 pips. That's 50 pips. That's how we count 50 pips. Begin at 200, come down to this. So place, let's go and check it in the chart. Sell limit. Okay, look at that. They are so close to each other because it's just 50 pips. The other one, I don't even know how many pips will set it. Look at these two, just they are the buy and sell limit. So they are the two are sell limit because it sells at the top and take profit at the bottom. Okay.